In sales, knowledge is money. Teams that have the most relevant information at their fingertips are able to act quicker, speak more confidently, and produce effective results. So, we've been working on a handy feature that will make sure you have all the data you need to close those deals in a jiffy. Just head over to Settings and click on Important Fields. Admin users of companies on the Gold and Platinum plans of Pipedrive can highlight important fields to help your team avoid forgetting critical data. Next to highlighting default fields, you can also add as many custom fields as you want. These custom fields can also be highlighted as important. Once you select a deal field to be important for you and your team, you can highlight whether this one is important in all of your pipelines and stages, or just specifically where in the process they're important. And you can just click on the little cogwheel here to later edit these settings. Now let's head over to this deal here to see how we notify your fellow pipe drivers that there's missing data. The field that we marked as important and is missing data will be highlighted over on the top left here, and it will stick when you're scrolling down. Now all that's left for you to do is to set up all fields that are important to you and your organization. This will help guarantee that good habits are formed in your sales team and you're never left with incomplete data.